The UK called it a game changer in human trafficking. The deal signed in April would see thousands of asylum seekers relocated to Rwanda, with the first group of 30 due to arrive next week. But now human rights group hope to block it, having submitted papers at the High Court in London.
Our concerns are that the policy might not in fact be lawful, that it might contravene international refugee law and human rights law. And we think it's very important that the case is heard and this is properly determined before anyone is sent to Rwanda.
Charity for Care Kala is the Public Commercial Services Union, the pressure group Detention Action, and 4 asylum seekers facing removal to the East African state have launched the injunction. British Home Secretary Priti Patel, who signed the deal with Rwanda, has flaunted it as a way to stem the growing number of irregular migrants, especially those crossing the channel in small boats from Europe. Under the scheme, those who make it to Rwanda will be integrated into communities across the country, with Britain having already $158 million for the first phase.
The choice I'm being presented with is going to Rwanda or being sent back to my home country. I cannot go back. If I went back there, I would be killed or tortured. I have no future. I want to die. And I was hearing that again and again and again.
Immigration concerns were a big issue in the 2016 vote for Britain to leave the European Union, and Prime Minister Boris Johnson has been under pressure. The policy will be challenged over the government's right to carry such removals, the claims that Rwanda is a safe country to deport asylum seekers to, and whether it complies with Britain's Human Rights Act.
What this might do is make people think, I don't want to arrive in a boat where I'm met by customs officials. Up to now, 98% of people have been claiming asylum on arrival, but now they might think twice about that. They might think, I need to avoid meeting border officials when I arrive, so I need to take a longer or more clandestine journey, and the only way that they can do that is using a people smuggler. So it's actually doing the opposite. It is pushing the people smugglers' prices up and making the journeys more dangerous. So it's really, really difficult to see how this policy is going to achieve what they wanted to do, and it could actually make it worse.
For now, the injunction has been issued as a matter of urgency, and the fate of the asylum seekers hangs in the balance. Nick Mudimba, CGTN.